So today I'm at my new listing in Riverstone Community. So this one is 5739 Gray Granite. And so this home shows like a brand new home. It's a 2022. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. But I want to show you why it has the feel of new construction. So if you don't have time to build right now, this is a perfect home. So let me show you. One thing I like about these homes is the long front foyer. So you go in and you have a coat closet here, but look how much room you have. It's very wide. You have plenty of room to put stuff along this wall. So there's 4 bedrooms. So in the front, you have a bedroom here. You have this guest bathroom with the tub and shower combination. Look how cute this room. This was a nursery. And then you have this big open space here to get to the 3rd bedroom, which is over here. This can be an office. And then you have the garage here, right here. And now going into the open floor plan of this beautiful kitchen with the core of the stainless steel appliances. You have a large pantry closet. But then what the sellers did is they added more space. So you don't see these typically in the newer homes. So they added this cabinet space here. And then look at all this cabinet space. This could be a breakfast bar area. This could be a coffee bar. You could put cookbooks up there. But look at all that storage space and look at all that counter space. And they put a beautiful gray quartz here. And then again, you have these cabinets for more storage. And then this kitchen is opened up into the living room or family room. And then let's go see the primary is way on this side of the house. Beautiful emerald green color here. And then the other thing that the sellers did, you have the double sinks, but they put a glass door on here. I see a lot of the model homes don't have the glass. They just have the shower curtain. And then they put some nice fixtures here. And then you have 2 closets. You have a his and her closet here. And then a big walk-in. So you could see that this home shows like a brand new constructed home. Now let's go outside and check out. They have a screened-in lanai here, and you don't see a lot of that. So off the kitchen, you have a screened-in lanai here. This is perfect for sitting and having dinner out here, chilling out. But then this is the spectacular feature of this home. You have the gazebo, you got the water view, you have this patio stones here. You got that curbing. And then it's all fenced in. So if you have pets, this is a perfect backyard. And look at that water view. It's so peaceful here. And you got the wildlife here. And look, it's all fenced in. The lights go on at night on that gazebo. And look at all this backyard space. Even down here, it's all fenced in. There's a shed here. But look at all this extra concrete that the sellers put in. So you can store things here. You can have your garbage cans here. But this is just nice area to have. And then let me show you what they did out here. They carried out this concrete walkway all the way out to the front. And then they did the all that curbing you could see. And then look at the garage door. Look, I love those little hinges and the handles on it. And then check out the front of this home. It's absolutely stunning. And it's an all black home. And also, this backyard has a water view. And again, it's all fenced in, and this home is ready for a new family. So if you're interested in 5739 Gray Granite in Lakeland at the beautiful Riverstone Community, contact Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan. Riverstone also has 2 community pools here and 2 parks for the kiddos.